Well, hi everybody. Welcome to my channel, Ink and Whimsy. I'm Laura Daniels, and I'm so glad you've decided to spend a little bit of your day with me. I thought we'd have some fun doing a show and tell of what I've been up to for the past month of March. I'm going to go through the different scrapbook spreads I've completed, share a little bit about the story of each one, and then if I used any special products with them, I was going to show that also. So this first one is a Stampin' Up! Suite. It is, since I don't know if it's even available, it's called a Little Latte Suite, and I absolutely love the colors in it and everything that has to do with coffee. One of my mom and I's favorite things to do is to find a little coffee shop. And this spread right here is when my family and I went on a Mediterranean cruise, and we spent the first couple of days in Rome before we got on the cruise ship. And my sister had it all set up for us to get up at 6 a.m. I think maybe we got up at 5:30 to get out of the hotel by 6, I'm not sure, to walk the streets of Rome to go to the Trevi Fountain. And oh my gosh, it was such an incredible time to see the Trevi Fountain. Nobody was there. It was just so quiet and peaceful. Then we saw the sun rising, and we stopped and had coffee at a little coffee shop that was right around the corner over here. So we were able to see things as they started to get busy. Now the two stamp sets I used when I was coloring these is Coffee with Friends with Stampin' Up! And then also this one right here, In the Moment. And I had it as if she's overlooking the Trevi Fountain. So those are the two stamp sets I used there. I love how all of this came together. You can see how I have a vertical layout going on here, and then this is horizontal, but it all blends together, and your eye is taken from the lower corner to the middle and up to the right. And the focal point was the selfie that me, my mom, and sister and I took a photo of. So this is definitely one of my favorites of the month, but you're going to find I have a lot of favorites of the month. All right, this next set, this double scrapbooks page, is I'm on the design team for Not Just for Boys Kit Club, and this was the March kit called Melodies and Memories. You have the Limitless kit and the Essentials kit. And this scrapbook page was about our family in Crete, Greece. Jerry and I were in the Navy, and that was our last duty station. Oh, I do have these backwards. Okay, our Cretan family. That makes a lot more sense, doesn't it? I loved how this piece of cardstock, one of the things that Merity does is that she will pull cardstock pieces from everywhere. 49 Market, Simple Stories, all the different scrapbook companies that make kits. And so when you receive the kit, you have something of everything. And it is such a neat way to delve into a kit and create with. And this kit was all about melodies and memories. So how perfect was it that our landlord Nikos would play the gelato and sing. He was very famous on the island, so I was able to do a scrapbook spread of our landlords, Maria and Nikos, his son and their daughter-in-law, and other members of the family, just to remember this. And I did do a screenshot of the island of Crete, Greece. So I love how this came together, the ephemera. I did some gosh, what is this stuff called? What is this called? Vellum. I printed on vellum. Now, if you do print on vellum, you do need to give it some time to dry before you can put it in a layout so it won't smear. But you can see how I tore along the edges here, and I wanted to give all of it a very old look, which I love. Because when you walk around Crete, Greece, there are so many old buildings. There's so much history there. All right, so this next layout is Hip Kit Club, and it is with the kit called Cozy Adventures. And in this one, I was telling the story of our granddaughter, Diana Rose, their first snowfall in South Carolina, and how, you know how when little kids are younger, they'll say, "Mommy, come find me, I'm hiding in the closet." Well, this one was, "Mommy, I'm going to make a snowball and throw it at you." So here is Diana Rose, and I had taken screenshots from a video that Dwayne had taken, and he sent me, of Diana Rose and her mom. And you can see Diana Rose getting so excited to throw the snowball that she's so sure is going to surprise her mommy. Yet she's forgotten less than 2 minutes ago, she told her, "Mommy, I'm going to get a snowball and I'm going to throw it at you." And I loved how this entire kit brought out the snowy feel, because you can see from the photos they all have that light blue tint because it was earlier in the morning, and I think this all brought that out. And then of course she had to build a snowman, and it was Mrs. Frosty with a crown. All right, now this next page that I created is for my storybook album called The Unknown Man, and I use 8.5 by 11 size sheets. And this was a hilariously funny story. I do not know this man's name. You're going to have to watch this video to hear the whole story, but I did remember before I went my way and he went his way to take his picture. And I just want, sometimes you just have one photo and you want to be able to tell the story about it. Sometimes you don't even have the photo, but you want to tell the story. All of that is still a process of scrapbooking, right? Because you're trying to put those memories down on paper. And that's what this was. And here's my mom and sister totally oblivious to what's happening in this story that I'll be telling one day. But it's definitely one of our favorites from our first girls trip up to Washington State. And this was using the Stampin' Up! Winter Meadow collection and Nests of Winter. And I used this stamp and die set called Peaceful Evergreens to create some of these trees here. And then these were just cut out from Nests of Winter. All right, the next one is my second double page spread that I created with Not Just for Boys Kit Club called Melodies and Memories. And here I focused more on the memory aspect of the kit. And these were two very old photos that my husband had gotten after his mom passed away, and I fell in love with them. It's back in the 1950s when my mother-in-law was in high school, and there's such a funny story that I told that she shared, and it made my husband's jaw drop. I think we were young and in our 20s, newly married. We were at his Grandma Meadows' house, and his mom and Aunt Marion were having they're just chit-chatting about things that happened when they were younger, and the story spilled as to one of the things she had done when she was younger. And all my husband could do was say, "Excuse me?" But these were two school portraits that were taken of her basketball team and her cheerleading team. So I wanted to create a layout spread that has both those photos. And so I did high school 1950s. This was one of the 6x6 papers, and it was of a photo studio. So that's where I put my journaling. And then these were two pieces that I had cut out that were of photographers. So I tried to have them focused and looking down on the actual pictures. So this is the Not Just for Boys Kit Club, and this was March. All right, now this next one, this was another funny story. Y'all know me, I love to tell the story. And this was when we were on that Mediterranean cruise. Remember, I just showed you we had gone to see the Trevi Fountain when we had our first couple of days in Rome. Well, this was towards the end of the cruise, and we had pulled into the port of Malta. And my mom was in search of the rose gelato. So as we were walking around those beautiful cobblestone streets, we were all searching for this gelato shop, and my brother found it, was able to call us on the phone saying we found it, and gave us the coordinates, and we all met up, and Mom was able to get her gelato ice cream. This is the Stampin' Up! Suite called Unbounded Beauty. And the bright, beautiful colors just made me think of gelato, the beautiful pink in Mom's shirt, and just what a bright and colorful moment it was. So I had fun bringing all this together. And the stamp set that I used is called Ice Cream Swirl, and I used different coloring techniques to bring out the what I'm calling gelato. I think we can all use that creative license whenever we're creating our scrapbook pages, right? Mom just looks so happy in this, and this is my brother Billy. And I remembered when I was taking these photos, I got a picture of the sign inside. I got a little creative. I know it's kind of an awkward capture of the actual frame, but I had it so that it came off of this and it kind of bounced a little bit. And then I wanted to get it in picture of the inside of the shop. You know how years later you're looking back, you have very vague memories. What did it look like inside? You know, what did our house look like? The one we lived in 15 years ago. There's a good one. All right, so this is the last spread that I did in the month of March, and it is from the Not Just for Boys Kit Club, Melodies and Memories. And here it was about a shoulda, woulda, coulda moment that I didn't want to miss. I was driving down the road and I saw these old trucks and cars, and I was on my way to pick up some of Paul's famous pot pies. And I thought, if I don't stop on the way home, I'm going to regret this. And it was such, look how beautiful the sky was. It was a beautiful, beautiful, I guess you could call it early spring day. So I pulled over on the way home and I took these pictures, and I absolutely loved it. When I'm looking at old vehicles like this, my husband and I love going to antique shows and love going to antique car shows. Just thinking of the history that those cars have lived that we don't even know about, the stories they've told. So that's what this scrapbook spread is about. So I love that, and you can see there is a huge variety of the different kits I use this month to create these different scrapbook pages. And I do love creating a double page spread. That way when I open up the album, it all comes together, and it's, you know, it just makes more sense. Now these, every single page is different in this album. And I do have my albums sorted, like I have Christmas, I have trips home to Maine, I have another album that is overseas, so this would be our Cretan family. I could do one that's nothing but our time living on the island of Crete, Greece. And then I have one that's just girls trips and family trips. All right, my friends, I'm excited to hear from you in the comments below. Which of these was your favorite spread and why? And until we meet again, God bless and have an incredible day. Bye-bye.